In many Hispanic and Latin homes, our food represents our culture, our love, and traditions. So this Hispanic Heritage Month, let's celebrate that. In our home, family meals are everything, but they can be time-consuming. That's why I encourage you to try a few of these quick and easy meal prep hacks. First one, plan out your meals and snacks. A quick and easy family meal prep hack for fruits and vegetables is to slice, chop, cut, whatever it is, right when you get them, and then bag them and freeze or refrigerate them. That way, when you want to have a meal, a snack, or a shake, some of your prep work is already done. Secondly, cook your entire dinner in one pot, one pan, or one sheet tray. Even that Instapot, which is especially great for cooking beans and other traditional meals, like the Sunny Spice Lentil Bowl with avocado crema. This avocado delivers important nutrients and a rich, creamy sauce. One-dish meals are surprisingly quick to prepare. Plus, with this method, you can get all your cooking done at once with minimal cleanup later. A win-win. Lastly, pick your pre-cooked proteins. At your local grocery store, look for already prepared items such as rotisserie chicken or grilled chicken, even baked salmon. Pick simply cooked proteins without heavy sauces, add your vegetables, and voila, dinner is served. As you can see, none of these family meal hacks are too much. They really are just simple steps you can take to make your life a little easier during that mealtime rush.